have so many orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly. The Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Gattu Chinky's excuses. It was night time, and Gattu Chinky were watching their favorite cartoon, Tikku's Mischiefs, after having dinner.
This Tiku is so funny. And smart too. Look, Gattu, this cartoon is my favorite. And Tiku is my favorite character. Yes, you are right.
As soon as the cartoon ends, Gattu is about to turn off the TV when Chinky stops him.
Hey, Gattu, stop. See what is coming on the TV. Friends, my new film Tiku Ka Jungle Adventure will be released tomorrow at 11 am. So don't miss it. We will meet here tomorrow at 11 am.
Hearing this, Gattu Chinky become very happy and excited. Both of them say together,
What? Tiku's Mischief's new film? That too tomorrow? Gattu, this is the same film whose trailers we saw 1 month ago. It is finally coming on the TV. Yes, Tinky. Yes, Tinky. We have waited for it for so long. I had forgotten if I switched off the TV now, then I won't be able to watch it tomorrow.
but then Chinky says to Gattu,
No, Gattu. We can't watch it tomorrow. Did you forget? We have to go to school at 9 in the morning. Oh yes, Tinky. How did I forgot about school? But now, what should we do now? Who knows if this movie will come on TV again or not? That's right, Gattu. Can we make some excuse for not going to school tomorrow? Excuse? But what kind of excuse? Mummy is able to catch all our excuses, Gattu. Shall we say that our stomachs ache, Chinky? Both of us together? Hey Chinky, today in the evening we ate that outside chaat. Remember, we will say that we both must have eaten that chaat and that is why our stomach is paining. Yes, this is a good idea, Gattu. But then Mummy Papa will not allow us eat anything from outside. We will see all that later, Chinky. But before, we will watch Tiku's new film. Yay! Okay then, Gattu. Let's go to sleep now. We have to execute our plan in the morning.
Gattu Chinky go to sleep thinking about this. Next day, when both of them wake up in the morning, it was raining outside. And the winds were blowing fast.
Oh wow, Chinky. Now we won't have to go to school anyways. Look, outside, it's raining. Yes, Gattu, this is a miracle. Even God wants us to watch Tiku's new film. Now let's go and have breakfast. Yes, come on, Chinky.
Gattu and Chinky come to have breakfast without getting ready for school. Seeing them like this, Mummy asks them,
Hey, Gattu, Chinky, why haven't you both got ready for the school yet? What? Ready? But Mummy, it's raining outside, right? Yes, Mummy. How will we go to school in such rain? Hey kids, Papa hasn't gone to office yet. He has to go to office late today. Then he will drop you both to the school. Don't worry. So both of you get ready after having breakfast quickly. Oh no, Gattu. What is this? Papa also had to go to office late today only. Now what should we do? Chinky, sit down to have breakfast. And after taking a bite, say that you have stomachache. Then I will also say, Okay, Gattu. Hey, what are you both whispering? Nothing, Mummy. Just like that. Okay, have your breakfast quickly.
Gattu Chinky sit down to eat breakfast. And as soon as Chinky takes a bite,
Wow, Mummy, breakfast is so yummy.
suddenly Chinky forgets her plan and starts eating breakfast. Just then Gattu slaps her gently and says,
Hey, Chinky, why are you having breakfast? Act as if you have stomachache. Don't you want to watch Tiku's new film? Oh, yes, I will. Wait.
Then Chinky gets herself ready and suddenly says,
Mummy. Hey, what happened, Chinky beta? Are you okay? No, actually, Mummy, I am having a stomachache. What? How come so suddenly? Mummy, I am also having a stomachache. What? How did you both suddenly start getting stomachache at the same time? I don't know, Mummy, but it is happening. Yes, Mummy, it is bad. Gattu Chinky, till now you both were perfectly fine. I know you both very well. You are making excuses, right? Come on, tell me why. What? No, Mummy. Why would we make excuses? We are really getting stomachache. Yes, Mummy. What will we get by making excuses? We are telling the truth. Isn't it, Chinky? Yes, Mummy. Okay. Then I will ask Papa to get me that red syrup. You all will be alright immediately.
Gattu and Chinky did not like the red syrup at all. And they were very scared of it. Gattu Chinky gets scared on hearing its name.
No, Mummy. We are having stomach pain. But it will get better on its own in some time. Yes, Mummy. The teacher says that we should not take medicine so soon. We will wait for some time and see and rest. Maybe then the stomach pain will get better on its own. Gattu Chinky, I understand everything. All of your excuses. Come on now. Get up quickly and get ready for school.
Hearing the name of the school, Gattu and Chinky run into their room and tell their mummy.
No, Mummy. Please don't send us to school today. We don't want to go to school. But why? Mummy, today at 11 o'clock, new film of our favorite cartoon, Tiku's Mischief, is coming on TV. Tiku's Jungle Adventure. We want to watch it. Yes, Mummy. Please don't send us to school today. Oh, so that's the issue. Gattu Chinky, enough of you making all these excuses. Now get ready for school quickly. School is more important. Do you understand? No, Mummy. Please let us stay. Yes, Mummy. Just today. Please.
Mummy moves forward to catch Gattu and Chinky. But they both climb on their beds and start jumping here and there. Hearing all this noise, Papa comes over there. Hey, what is happening, kids?
These two are not getting ready for school. They are saying that they will stay at home and watch a movie.
What? This is very wrong, Gattu Chinky. Is movie more important or studies?
Movie!
No, kids. Now stop being stubborn and come down. Otherwise, Mummy will get angry. Eventually, Gattu and Chinky get very sad. And they have to come down from the bed.
Okay, Mummy. Chinky, it seems watching that movie is not written in our fate.
But just then, Mummy's phone rings.
Wait a second. It seems there is a message on the phone.
Mummy takes out her phone and checks the message. And as soon as she sees the message, she gets surprised.
Oh no, what's this? What happened, Mummy? Yes, Mummy, what happened? It's a holiday at school because of the rain. Just now a message from your class teacher came on your school group. What? Yay! Tiku's movie!
Gattu Chinky run away and switch on the TV. It seems today is Kids' Day. That is why their wish got fulfilled.
You are right. But you have to go to office anyways. So let's go have breakfast.
Yes, let's go. Then Gattu Chinky enjoy their favorite cartoon movie with great fun. Finally, they get successful in making so many excuses.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.